Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble. My friend Guido, he dreamed to give a real race car a pit stop.
Pit stop?
Oh no, what a shame! Don't worry, I'm sure you'll find her.
I guess not. I get really confused. You guys just kind of all look the same. Why?
No, you had.
Yo, I've never been off-road!
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello, face.
All right, I must sound brighter.
Drivers like this guy?
Right. Storm achieves his top speed.
Ooh, Red, you missed a spot. There, right there. In the hood, right there.
Hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente. Y fuera.
That Francesco is fine!
And those open wheels.
Tag, you're in.
Francesco needs no strategy. It's very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen to choke, pass.
And you're a winner to me, you old daddy rabbit.
Thanks, dear. Wouldn't be nothing without you. Hey,
Change the direction of my life when I started Miss Fritter's Racing School!
Checkered flag, here I come.
Oh no! McQueen is blowing a top! Oh man, the paint's still wet!
Don't worry, I'll find a hat for your snowman.
Really getting him into the zone!
he's so getting beat today.
Luigi, this new road makes your place look like a dump.
That crazy old devil!
You're in the slow lane. This is Lightning McQueen you're hauling here.
Just stopping off for a quick breather, kid.
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto? Correcto. Recto.
If you're implying that I switched out that rot-gut excuse for alternative fuel with my...
Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will...
Life in the fast fast lane.
Oh, you were you? Were you rich?
What?
Whoa! Don't see that every day, huh, Chug?
Yep, Dusty. An engine that powerful only takes the top of the line.
Wow. Subtle.
Figured if I'm gonna be your crew chief, I better do it in style.
Hot snot, we are back in business. Guido, Luigi, you're going up against professional pit crews, boy.
Hey! Ow! Ow! Easy with the confetti. What's going on? Come on, snap some pictures. I gotta go sign.
I'm trying to help you. As your sponsor, yes, but also as your friend. Your race